Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To learn more about video editing and some unravel secret of video editing, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified of my next upload. Leaving behind multiple themes on your WordPress website will actually lead to the slowing down of the loading speed of your website. So what you just need to do is go ahead and delete the theme that you are not using, the one that are not activated, so as to increase the speed of your website. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a new theme or upload a theme that you purchased from somewhere into your WordPress website, and then show you how you can delete the themes that are not in use in this video. So let's continue. Go to appearance and theme. To appearance and you click on themes. So here you have the themes that followed the installation of your WordPress. So go up to the top corner and click on add new. That is, you want to add a new theme. You can see a lot of free themes here on WordPress. WordPress has made available the free themes that are very amazing. So let's install Astra theme. So click and install. It's installed, so let's activate. You activate the theme. The moment you activate the theme is being activated to your website. So now you can still upload a theme which you purchased. So you can buy a theme from any store and then bring it here to actually upload. So you click on new, then go to upload. You choose the file and then upload from your laptop or desktop. So and that's it. So go back to theme again and let's go ahead and delete the themes we are now using. Okay, you can see the list of the themes. I have the 2019, 2020, and 2021. So click on the theme itself to preview live. Then come down to the bottom and you see delete button. Click on delete. That's it. Click on the theme. To the right side corner below, you see delete, and then you delete. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.